How to convert Facebook profile into a page. Hey, what's up guys? So in this video today, I'll show you step by step on how you can convert your Facebook profile into a page. So I'll show you step by step in this video on how you can go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and show you how that's done. So firstly, you're going to want to head over to the menu page at the bottom right hand corner icon. Just go ahead and click on it. Now here you should be brought to the menu. Now go ahead and click your name and click see your profile at the top. Now you're going to get brought to your profile here. You can see this is my profile. Now, if you want to actually turn your Facebook profile into a page, you're going to want to click the three dotted line right next to the edit profile option. Just go ahead and click it here. Now at the very bottom, there should be an option called turn on professional mode. Now just go ahead and turn that on, click on it. Basically, it's going to give you this little icon or this page here that's basically going to say to turn on professional mode. Now, turn on professional mode in here, and that's essentially going to give you the professional mode on your Facebook profile. Now here, you'll be able to actually see, you're going to edit a lot of all this other stuff. So we're not going to edit any of that, but you can see that I now have view tools here. Now you can see that we have a lot of stuff here for our page, and basically now we can actually get followers on this page now, and our Facebook account has now been registered into an actual page. So if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribing. That's how you actually convert a Facebook profile to a page. So with that being said, have a fantastic day everybody, and I'll see you guys until next time.